Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Supply of 160,000 single-phase and three-phase connection kits, including smart prepaid meters, metering boxes, circuit breakers, cables, and accessories. The Republic of Togo has announced an invitation for bids, notice no. OP00331459, for the inclusive development through electricity access project, identified by Project ID P176769. Financed by a credit from the International Development Association, IDA 75540, the tender seeks to procure supply kits for new customer connections. This project is under the Ministry of Mines and Energy Resources in Togo. The tender, referenced as F03, is looking for sealed bids from eligible suppliers and will be conducted by international competitive bidding, in accordance with the World Bank's procurement regulations dated September 2023. The specifics of the tender involve the supply of 160,000 single-phase and three-phase connection kits, including smart prepaid meters, metering boxes, circuit breakers, cables, and accessories. These items are to be delivered to the central warehouse of the Electric Power Company of Togo, CED, located in the port area of Lomé within 120 calendar days. The detailed specifications are available in Section 7 of the tender document, with the submission deadline set for February 18, 2025 at 9 a.m. Contact for the tender can be reached through Ahmed Boukari at the Electric Power Company of Togo, located at 426 Avenue Mama Fousseni BP 42 Lomé Togo, or via email at ahem.boukari@seed.tg.